welcome back to the Tarot Virtual Guide. My name is Liz Rary, and today I will be showing you how to reorder strategies within the lesson canvas. Sometimes you might need to change the flow of your lesson because of time constraints or just so your lesson runs a little bit more smoothly. Let's get started. So what we're going to do is pop open the class where I want to switch around the activities. So I'm going to click Edit Lesson. And I've popped it open and I've completed this lesson, but I just realized that some of my students aren't as comfortable with computers as I'd like. So I want my direct explanation before my computer program so I can include how to use the technology before we dive into it. So to do this, I click the white check boxes next on the activities that I want to switch, and then I click the blue swap activity button. And wow, now my lesson is in a way better order and I'm going to feel more confident with my kids using computers. And that is reordering.